Creating an email marketing campaign in Klaviyo is simple and effective. Here's a quick guide to get started. Log into Klaviyo. From your Klaviyo dashboard, go to Campaigns on the left-hand side and click Create Campaign. Set campaign details. Name your campaign and choose the email channel. You can add SMS or other channels if needed. Define your audience. Select the recipient list or segment for your campaign, such as recent buyers, newsletter subscribers, or abandoned cart users. Klaviyo lets you segment based on customer behavior and engagement to target specific groups. Design your email. Click Create Content to design the email. Klaviyo offers drag-and-drop templates that are customizable, or you can build your own from scratch. Include engaging elements like images, buttons, and personalized text to capture recipients' attention. Set sending options. Schedule your email to be sent at a specific time or choose to send it immediately. Klaviyo also allows for A/B testing of subject lines or content to optimize results. Review and launch. Preview your email, double-check your settings, and click Send Campaign or schedule it. Klaviyo will track engagement metrics, allowing you to analyze and improve future campaigns.